y'all? It's your girl Eva K, and I'm back at it one more again, baby. Here with the usual, another wig slay. So if you're new here, my name is Eva K. I love wigs, I love hair, I love makeup, I love any and everything that has to do with beauty. And if you like those types of things too, I hope you'll consider subscribing before the end of this video. Now, I have been doing the 50 Shades of Spring series lately, and that's what we'll be doing today as well. Now, today's collab is a little different than the rest of the collabs that I've been doing. Every other collab that I've done has been with my wig baes. Today's collab is with a wig bae, but she doesn't specialize in wigs quite as much as the rest of the wig baes do. Today's collaboration is with Miss Bnicole. Yay! For those of you who are not familiar with who Bnicole is, let me just fill you in, sis. Bnicole Branding does clothing hauls. She does get ready with me's. She does DIYs. She gives you skincare routines. She shows you how to do your makeup. She does full face tutorials. She does eyeshadow tutorials. She literally will put an outfit together out of thin air. Like, literally. So if you have not checked Bnicole's channel out yet, sis, I need you to go check her out at the end of this video. I will make sure to leave Brandy's information down there in that description box, and I will leave her up here in the big eye in the sky. So please, y'all, go make sure you check my girl out after this video. Now, let's get into this. Today, we will be slaying Miss Aru. I think that's how you pronounce it. A-R-U. Aru. Let's get into it, sis. So we have Miss Aru in FFT Pride Blonde. And this is what she looking like. Straight out the pedo, boy. Yeah. Okay. Aru comes in a lot of colors. She does come in natural colors. So if you want to rock this wig in a natural 1, 1B, and 2, they have those available. So I'm gonna go cut the lace out of this joint, and we're gonna put it on our head, or on my head. So I have cut the lace off. Let's put Miss Aru. Aru. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Aru. I think that's how you say it. Let's put it on. I feel kind of Halloweenish. I mean, yeah. Yo, pull to the front like this though. I'm loving the lighter colors down at the bottom of the wig. Y'all saw that she has the baby hairs that she comes with. That part is stupid tight. It definitely needs to be plucked. It's like no parting. Like, it's not a part there at all. It's so tight. The hair, I mean the baby hairs come all the way around in the front up to, well, wow. They come all the way over to the side, sis. Let's see. She is pretty much ear to ear. Here's the ear tab here. And as you see, she's coming ear to ear. And it is enough room, enough lace in the front to customize this wig to your liking. If you'd like to thin this hairline out some more. And look at all of that. You got all of that, sis, to pluck if you'd like and make her look more natural. I have her on, I want to say, the second loop in the back as far as the adjustable straps go. And she glueless, basically. You don't have as much room over here if you wanted to customize. All right, let's comb her out and see how she looks. She is curling iron safe or heat safe from, I want to say, up to 400 degrees. Y'all, she's cute. Let's see what we're gonna do. I'll be back. as y'all can see, I went through and I did pluck that part open. I left about this much unplucked because I wanted to show y'all the difference in between the lace being plucked and the lace not being plucked. I hope y'all are seeing this. That would be tragic if you're not. Anyway, so yeah, I did do that, and this is how much lace, how much hair I got from the plucking. I just really customized this wig, and I haven't done it in a long time, so I'm praying that I'm gonna love this unit. As I said before, it's super beginner friendly. Since you could put it on and go, just get you some concealer or some powder if you would like. Put it in your part. Go out the door, boo. Super beginner friendly, big head friendly. It can handle high heat up to 400 degrees. I've already put heat on mine with a very hot comb. It was 400 degrees. And it says the frontal hairline is preset. Now, let us see here. Let's take off my girl, Ikoya. Y'all, I found out she had these edge scars when I saw my boo Kim from Diamond Curls and Pearls. I was like, whoa, wait a minute, Kim. So I hit Ikoya up and I had to grab this, y'all. I'll leave a link to her website down below so you guys could go and grab you one too, y'all. Start the silky sag movement. All right, y'all. What? Probably my only con, because I can't think of another one. It shed, but it wasn't major. But that's probably the only con I have for this unit, is that I wish that what they did with this side of the wig, that they would have done it on this side of the wig. Other than that though, y'all, this wig is absolutely perfect to me. It is light, it is airy, it's not hot. I did not glue her down. The only adhesive is the Guide Glue gel, and that is just on my edges. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 and we are gonna wrap it up. Just for reference, I am 5'10", baby. Yes. Hey, get this 360, girl. Get this 360. So she is a look. She's definitely a look. I love this color. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope I didn't leave anything out. I feel like I was all over the place. But make sure you guys go and check Bnicole's channel out and tell her Ifa sent you. Also, don't forget to go check me out on Instagram at Ifa_K_slays. That's my same name on TikTok. And yeah, I think that's it. Anyway, all right, you guys, I do have an announcement. I have finally hit 500 subscribers, you guys. It is very exciting. I know to some that might be a small milestone, but to me it's huge, it's large, it's giganticum. That's not a word, but it is that to me. So in honor of hitting this milestone, I want to do a giveaway. So be on the lookout for some really nice things to be given away, and y'all be blessed and y'all stay safe. I pray God continues to cover y'all and keep y'all and bring y'all back to me, boo, for the next video. All right, loves, love y'all.